mi ade kokko no so ne mi adoma no so se be ade bia benya me video ame de asua ade me da ase
ya atiefo aha enti me ba betane camera na yesua bibi how abesi a generate code and how abesi ato ade with MTN application ti besua se o to ade no use MTN application dey ato ade no first enti ma maintain me camera na yesua bibi simple very short na yento aso obeko Play Store anase App Store anase any store bia benya wa application na download anase o phone no e ma access to download applications no obe download app we MTN app no your friend my MTN we download it then you create the anase you register for or you sign up send a time bia mo download applications ni bia mo sign up with your number no but make sure say MTN sim na anase number krona pese e mobile money na we dey no na be generate app no we say no enti u be app na say ne sitie my phone is very bit slow. I say very slow because phone is very busy never go so do so enti be say ya ubehu bibi say na interface ni tie ubehu balance any data no bibia wo so ene ye home ene o buy wetimi dey ato airtime and asa wo betua bibi ene o gift ni ade nema bibre na wo ba nya eno nti na e buy ti yensua MTN momo no to buy click momo no so ha go head down ho na right side down on your application we hu momo then you click on the momo na bisa wo MTN mobile money pin no wa wo to ade na me kire wade use o mobile money pin no abonti me bo me code ti mabo me code no ti code na e be load another code one time code bi na ye de ato aso enti ebie say na interface nete momo page ni say nete o transfer money a obetimi use we no but obese o use KR we say na obe kreke esro honum right side corner top ho bon si aye momo pay e ho kreke so o kreke so a obehun se ya design KR we say no san ho kreke so o kreke so a camera no be so your first time e be bisa access now wa allow access no enti so a wo de phone be kwa scan code no say at the moment you be scan no for me dey slow kakra fine okay I think say delay nti ma me hwe me work say bi bo ha ma me fan scan o say me dey hwe so na a scan enti scan a the nipa ne company name ne beba once your company name na aba no then you enter the amount baby I indicate say bo amount ne hye no akreki ho ebe pop up o keyboard no abo amount no e bia 100 cedis o sesen na reference no at the corner say we abe kai dwumadi a odi enti e bia you pay for maybe phone o koto phone then you enter phone and as anything ebe mo akai reference ebe mo hu ne o de size scan dwumadi a de scan die no abo ahye ti for example e bia phone na me bo phone na show na makọ send and I say proceed me data make click proceed no e baby sa for confirmation no asan akọ another proceed enti is done the payment has been paid to the company name number then you click done very simple we be boa ama wonye mistake embo code no ID amount say me chant ID no wrong because no mo generate ade atare omo shop no I post ho no na scan into e call direct we very easy I think say very easy I'll be able to media sika amana boa mema bibia simple enti ye besen sua ekwan abefa so abe generate KR code no and I say ID no na ono so ewo shop obi etimi aba hɔ no ma be scan ato ade sa application yi ade ma manage ho ne sɛ un download da na download a omo kyɛ free data MTN me ma free data for the first time so wa download application no sɛ wo hwɛ mu a obohu sɛ me wɔ KR generator ne bi wɔ hɔ ɛna wɔ hɔ no KR code generator me read any generator ne nyina it work both side it has the scanner and then generator into wobɛkɔ generate honom no into wokɔ generate code na then you enter your code there me bo code na hye me code no yɛ 718510 Timbo 718510 no na makɔ generate me generate e na abeda hɔ no then you save this picture no akɔ print it na da beta wo shop obi beto ade watimi scan it ama I very simple ama no enti wokɔ share ana save a for easier way no obi a wo printer no won number akɔ share no asend ama no WhatsApp no anya ID way no watimi e de a printed their blog na watimi de atare wo shop ana wa wo printer be printed there uko save ana wa ko print or computer no ana say printer no enti say net here by wa wie code no fa phone foforo na bi QR code na scan ne hwe say code na boy na enye wrong because o hwe me mesoro ha me code na ehye ho no o camera na ase eni ne style kakra me code na ehye ho no 718510 eno na generate image we abeto no to be scan a better balance no aba me phone so straight and I say MTN wallet no straight. You just go to save and it will save to your gallery and I say you go to share and then you share it to it or you share to someone or be print am and I say either anybody ujiri say e ko no ho an how bia me share akọ me phone back so ma send it enti akoda ho ini saa image we say me print a na me ta me shop a obi scan a obetimi de atua enema ka e wo shop a very simple. I think say this is a very easier way abetimi de generate code no am obi timi abeto ade wo ho na so obi de atua ade ka e wo shop ama bibia a very easy amount ti madam asene de ne asi ha sei na masre mu na ma share video no ho mon share ma adofo nsanka no bia ntimi fa moa ma bibia nkoso me dem afato me ho say me Android phone and access smartphone abe very easy and very beneficial for anyone to use. It bibia me ye ne twi mu na aye ne ye ama mati ase ama bibia timi ayusu ti me dam ase next time me English version na me dey beto na I think say sometime am for a request for I will do that also. Ti me dam ase ne de na si ha na me nshira bibia so nya time hwe ma comment and I say bisa question my phone number and go on 02046900002 and I said 0276 09000002 na yesua de na enya no nkoso amna bo bibia madam asena de na de na hia esi ha say we am professor we na minimum hia next time we sua de foforo e wa lot to learn na ase ya na mre nim ti na entimi sua de nti madam asena de na de na hia madam asipi nya me hia bibia so nya adaje no hwe